What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Regan Collection. Today I'm very excited to announce that we are getting a brand new truck. It is a Ram RHO, first one ever sold to a customer in Florida. Only like 20-50 miles on it. Blue, red and black interior. It is gorgeous. I am going to show you this thing. And the reason we didn't get the TRX is because of gas mileage. They're absolutely terrible on the TRX. This is a little bit better. And then the Raptor V6s have too much, or the Raptor V6s only have 450 horsepower. This makes 540 with a twin turbo inline six. And the Raptor R is just way up there. I mean, 150K for a truck is insane. Let me show you guys this thing. This new RHO 2025, 65 miles on the car. Twin turbo inline six, 540 horsepower. TRXs, you know, they just, one's under 100 grand because wanted to keep it under 100 grand. You know, 2022 is the best you're getting probably, and you know, 10,000 miles, whatever, which is fine for a truck. But then you come to the point where you're getting warranty for only a year or two left. This thing has full 5-year warranty. Like I said, 2025, one of, if not the first one sold to a Florida customer. You got your paddle shifters here. It does have some kick, but you know, like any turbo car, you have to wait for it to kick in. Like it will not kick in right away, but it definitely does have some power. Super easy to see the front because the front is super short, but it is a very big truck. You sit up really high, and it's nice that we got these black seats and the red stitching or the red lines on them. It makes it look really cool, and the blue color. Now we have white, red, and blue, so all of the American flag colors. Even when the Corvette gets wrapped black, that's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, this is definitely a nice truck. You know, everyone's like, well, why didn't you get the TRX? Why didn't you get the Raptor R? Well, the TRX one gets like 8 miles a gallon. This gets like 13 to 15, which is honestly a pretty big difference. And the Raptor R is just 150 grand brand new. I mean, I wouldn't spend 150 grand on a truck. I'd rather put that into a Aventador or something like that. And then the Raptor V6 just makes 450 crank. So what's that rear wheel? I don't know. Probably pretty low compared to this. This is 540 rear wheel, and that's, you know, 450 rear wheel. So it's or 450 crank. This is 540 crank. So it's definitely making a pretty big difference. But it's really nice. You know, there's so many features on this car that I mean, we just unloaded it, so I have no idea what's on this car. I know your paddle shifters are here, and you got a huge touch screen here, passenger display, heads up display, super easy. And I heard the heads up display does work with sunglasses, which is nice. You got a lot of room in the back seat there. Just really nice truck. You still got the hood scoop and the hood lights like you do on the TRX. It's basically a TRX with a twin turbocharged inline six. Gas mileage, like I said, is about 13 to 15 miles per gallon. But I mean, the TRX, yeah, it's a V8, but it's just not going to get anywhere close to that. And they might say you get better, but based on what I've seen and people I've heard who've owned them have said you only get about 8 miles per gallon, which is pretty poor, especially with gas prices nowadays. But yeah, this truck, I mean, it definitely kicks, so it's going to take a while to get used to because, you know, in a truck, you're not used to really having it kick at all. So it's definitely got some power in it. But it does, like I said, take a couple seconds for those turbos to kick in. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's a really nice truck so far. Like I said, so many flaws and so many technologies on this car that I have no idea what they are, and we're just going to have to figure them out. All right, so this is the new truck. Take the key here. Open it just like that. Down here, pull this like that. Step on into the bed truck like this. Cars. And step back down onto it. That's super simple. You can use the key or you just press the button. And this, you just pretty good. Pretty wide as well. You just push this right back under. The truck right here got really good space in the back. Black and red interior. Brand new. Super nice. Here's the interior from the front. Super nice. Passenger display over there. Heads up display up here. So many gadgets on this screen. So many different drive modes and everything. Here's the front of the truck. Still got the hood headlights like the TRX. Really wide. Super nice color. Exhaust is a little bit quiet, but that's okay. Here's your passenger side. Lots of room in this truck. There's your engine. Nice how we got a little bit of carbon fiber here. And up there as well. Turbocharged. Huge air filter. Super cool. And that's it, guys. I mean, really nice truck. Again, 540 horsepower, 2025, only 65 miles on it. extremely nice blue color, really cool interior, especially the back seats. There's so much room in this truck. I can't wait to make content with this truck. We are going to be putting maybe even the first Insta360 on a Ram RHO. This is going to be absolutely insane. Great truck. And the reason for the truck is, we wanted something bigger. We had Range Rover SVR, and it's great. It was literally perfect. Super nice interior, sounded amazing, so much room in it. But again, it's a Range Rover. 85,000 miles, the car was starting to go. There were issues that were going to come along down the line, and they don't really make the SVR anymore. And if they do, they're just extremely, extremely expensive. 150 grand for an SUV, which, like I said before, he said he'd rather throw that in Aventador. That may come in a year. Who knows? But this is just a great truck. Like I said, I can't wait to make content with this. So thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next time.